Are F1 cars gas or electric? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the Formula 1 cars are the latest in motorsport engineering and technology. There are no motors extra well engineered or designed than F1 cars, as they are the pinnacle of high-performance racing vehicles. However, one issue of F1 cars that many followers marvel about is whether or not these vehicles are fuel or electric powered. F1 cars are gas-powered. The gas in F1 vehicles is 87 to 102 octane gasoline, comparable to the fuel used in regular avenue cars. The power is designed with unique combinations for high-quality overall performance based on every person's vehicle and race conditions. No two F1 cars use precise identical fuel. The fuel used in a Formula 1 car is no longer extended, totally different from the power used in regular street cars. This may additionally be a surprise. However, the thought behind it is that F1 vehicles run on fuel that is preferred internationally. However, this is F1, so it has more significance than that. Let's take a nearer seem-to-be at F1 fuel. If you're searching for some F1 merchandise, test out the amazing stuff at the respectable F1 shop here. Are F1 cars electric or gas-powered? Formula 1 cars are at the pinnacle of motorsport engineering, and these vehicles run on precise fuel. However, the strength unit machine used in F1 motors may also sound deceptive to many. The electricity unit in F1 cars is cited as a hybrid system, which may also lead many to consider that F1 vehicles can also be electrically powered. The reality is that Formula 1 cars are powered by using a 1.6-liter V6 internal combustion engine powered by gasoline. The fuel used to strengthen F1 engines is 87 to 102 octane unleaded gas, no longer in contrast to the ordinary gas used to gas popular streetcars. However, the gasoline used in F1 is mainly formulated for the most overall performance and strength output. It is frequently altered for every automobile and even for every race via the engineers of every team. The gas used in an F1 directly contributes to the power output and overall performance of the car. Formula 1 is so precise, and the tolerances for success are so small that every group formulates their gas according to FIA rules and follows the engines used in the car. The fuel is even altered according to song and climate conditions to maximize the strength output of the car according to every race. This skill shows that while F1 vehicles use everyday fuel, the factors of that fuel are blended and altered mainly for every vehicle for the excellent overall performance possible. While each F1 vehicle uses an identical fuel, the fuel combination per auto is exceptional from every other. Why are F1 cars called hybrids? We have established that Formula 1 cars are powered by gas and are no longer electric powered. However, this begs the question, why are F1 cars known as hybrid vehicles? Suppose Formula 1 cars are powered through fuel and no longer use electrical energy, and have no electric-powered motors but are instead powered by an internal combustion engine. In that case, the period hybrid used to describe F1 strength gadgets can be confusing. However, clearing up this confusion is simple. F1 motors are referred to as hybrids because they use installed power restoration structures that seize and keep kinetic power from braking and hat power from the faster exhaust machine of the car, which is then harnessed as electrical power to increase the strength of the gasoline-powered engine. The energy recuperation structures used in F1 cars supply greater strength for the auto, improve standard electricity output and overall performance, and offer a more significant raise for overtaking while racing. This energy is technically saved and used as electrical energy. However, the electrical electricity is no longer generated with the aid of an electric-powered motor, and the vehicle does now not want to be recharged earlier than used. What fuel is used in F1 cars? The fuel used in F1 cars is a model of the equal energy used in standard road cars. However, is there more significant to this fuel than meets the eye? What precisely is the power that is used in Formula 1? Formula 1 uses 87 to 102 octane gas comprising a combination of oxygen, nitrogen, benzene, lead, manganese, non-alkali metals, and sulfur. The genuine combination of elements may also be altered with the aid of every F1 crew inside precise parameters to go well with the outstanding overall performance of the car. There are a variety of guidelines that ought to be adhered to as well, which include the reality that the gas used by way of every group ought to consist of 5.75% bio-components, and the DVPE and oxidation steadiness of the gasoline ought to fall inside precise parameters as well. What's next for F1 fuel? Formula One cars run on gasoline that is comparable to the gas used in regular road cars. However, Formula One Corporation has principal plans concerning the F1 gas of the future. From 2022 onwards, Formula One is taking steps toward carbon neutrality and ambitions to be net zero carbon through 2030. The first step in this environmentally pleasant course is the introduction of E10 gasoline in Formula One, which is 10% ethanol. The 90% fossil fuels of Formula One E10 gas will be produced from 100% sustainable sources and limit carbon emissions by 65% in contrast to the preferred gasoline of 2021. This gasoline will be drop-in, so the engines used in the vehicles will no longer require any changes to obtain the fuel. This gas is meant to be used in a global patron market, which is a significant step in developing sustainable car gasoline sources. This is a massive deal, and this law in Formula the 1st of May also properly trade the whole global car enterprise forever, by no means simply affecting Formula One. Formula One vehicles are gas-powered vehicles. These motors have augmented strength through strength healing structures that accumulate warmness and kinetic energy, which is saved and used as electric-powered energy, which technically classifies F1 cars as hybrid vehicles. However, the primary power supply of F1 cars is an internal combustion engine powered by gasoline. Hope you guys like this video. Let us know in the comment below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.